How to use the quick add bulk feature for collections in your Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to use this option. Now this is going to be great for people who want to use a collection, and at the same time you don't really have to click on each product and add it to carts and so on, but at the same time you can just go ahead and add as many as you want. So you can buy in bulk when it comes to a collection. So you can select 5 of each product, and then you can just go to cart at one go. So you can actually go ahead and set this up very easily. So let's just go ahead and do it real quick. We will begin by first creating the actual collection. So we can just go to products here. And then from products, we can just go ahead and go to collections. And then I'm just going to go ahead and create a new collection. And I'm just going to name it colors. Here you can feel free to give it a description and an image if you would like. I'm just going to give it this image. And click on done once it's actually done processing. Now, obviously collection type is completely up to you. You can just go for manual and you can set up the rules and so on. It's completely up to you. But for me, I'm just going to browse for the products I want, which is pretty much all the products that I have in my store. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on browse and select all of them like so, and click on add. So for the time being, we're just creating the actual collection, nothing interesting yet. So we can just go ahead and click on save. And now we pretty much have our collection. So what we need to do now is just go ahead and go to our online store. So go to your online store, go to themes, and then just go ahead and click on customize. Let's just wait for it to load real quick. And then basically we just want to add a collection. Now here we have the future collection, and this is how it looks like by default. And we want to change that so it is the quick bulk future, quick add bulk future. So first I'm just going to remove this future collection. I'm just going to click on add section, and I'm just going to go for future collection this time again. I shouldn't even have removed it, but I'm just trying to make it look a little bit nice. So I'm just going to do bulk here. And now what we need to do is just first go to collection here and select the proper collection. So we can just go for this one. And now we should have our items, and we want to set to the maximum products to show as 25 for my case, even though I don't really have that many. But anyways, now from the actual settings, we want to change it so that it is bulk add. And to do so, all you need to do is just click on the collection itself, and then just scroll down until you actually find the setting. So we can just go down a little bit. View all style, no, this is not what we need. Scheme is not what we need also, but I'm just going to change it anyway. Okay, so there you go. We have quick add. This is the one that we want. You can see it is standard, and we can just go ahead and click on bulk. And you can actually see now we have the bulk quick add feature. So now what we can do is just click on save and preview it real quick. So now for example, we can just go ahead and add 3 of those, 4 of those, 5 of those, and you get the idea. So you can just go ahead and add as many as you actually like, and you can see right away the cart fills up with the amount needed. So for example, we can just go 2, and now it is 17, and then if we just remove 2 from here, it's actually going to be 15 here, as you can see. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.